Welcome to this video on boosting your AC efficiency this summer. We will share simple tips for households and small offices to help you stay cool, save energy, and cut costs. AC efficiency matters because 40 to 60% of your electricity bill comes from your AC in the summer. A dirty or poorly maintained AC uses 15 to 20% more energy. Simple efficiency improvements can save you up to 30%. An efficient AC also lasts longer. Set the right temperature for comfort and savings. Energy experts recommend 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. Each degree lower than 24 degrees increases energy use by up to 6%. Use fan mode along with AC and raise the temperature when you are away to save energy. A clogged filter forces your AC to work harder, wasting energy and cooling less. Dirty filters block airflow and use up to 20% more electricity. Clean filters provide full, strong airflow and can lower electricity bills. Clean your filters every 2 to 4 weeks during heavy summer use. It only takes about 10 minutes. Don't run your AC at full power when no one is home. A smart schedule saves energy automatically. Pre-cool before you wake up and before people return. Raise the temperature when people are away or sleeping. Raising the AC temperature by 2 degrees Celsius when away can save up to 10%. Cold air leaking out and hot air leaking in makes your AC work non-stop. Air escapes through door and window gaps and poorly fitting frames. Use weather stripping, silicone sealant, and thermal blinds as quick fixes. Sealing gaps saves energy and lowers your bill. Fans spread cool air, so you feel cooler at a higher AC temperature. You can feel up to 4 degrees Celsius cooler with a fan. Set ceiling fans to counterclockwise in summer to push cool air downward. Remember to turn fans off when leaving, as they cool people, not rooms. Sunlight through windows heats up rooms quickly, forcing your AC to run harder. Use thermal curtains to block solar heat gain, especially during peak sun hours. Tinted window films or outdoor plants can also block solar radiation. Prioritize windows facing west or south. Appliances, lights, and cooking generate heat that your AC has to remove. Switch to LED bulbs, which produce 75% less heat than incandescent bulbs. Turn off idle electronics and run appliances like dishwashers at night. Also, try to avoid cooking during peak heat hours. Good insulation keeps the cold air inside and the hot summer air outside. Insulate your roof, walls, and floor. Key products include double-pane windows, which trap air to block heat transfer. Proper attic ventilation is also important. Well-insulated homes use up to 25% less energy for cooling. A well-maintained AC runs more efficiently, lasts longer, and breaks down less often. Every month, clean or replace air filters and wipe down indoor vents. Annually, consider professional service to clean condenser and evaporator coils and check refrigerant levels. Service your AC before summer begins to avoid peak season costs. If your AC is more than 10 years old, a modern energy-efficient model could cut cooling costs dramatically. Energy-efficient ACs are rated with stars. A 5-star rated AC offers about 40% savings. The electricity savings pay back the cost difference within 2 to 3 years. Using an AC that is too small or too large for your room wastes energy and doesn't cool properly. For example, a 1.5-ton AC is ideal for a master bedroom or small office, which is about 150 to 200 square feet. Add 10% capacity for sunny rooms or those with many electronic devices. Optimize airflow as even the best AC struggles if airflow is blocked. Keep furniture and curtains away from AC vents. Direct vents toward the center of the room. Keep internal doors open for free airflow. Ventilate at night and declutter your space for better air circulation. Your daily AC usage habits have a big impact. Turn on the AC before the room gets too hot. Use sleep mode and close AC when windows are open. Do not set the AC to very low. Leave it running in empty rooms or ignore unusual sounds. Also, don't block the outdoor condenser unit. Small offices face unique cooling challenges due to more people and electronics. Account for body heat, manage heat from IT equipment, and use a work hours schedule to program your AC start and shutdown times. Further efficiency tips for offices include zoning your cooling to only cool occupied areas. Add indoor plants, which naturally cool the air by releasing moisture. Finally, track your energy usage with a smart meter to find opportunities to cut waste. Smart AC technologies let your unit learn your habits and save energy automatically. Look for features like Wi-Fi control for remote operation and AI auto mode that adjusts settings to your preferences. Other smart features include presence detection, which reduces cooling in empty rooms, and weather-linked cooling that pre-adjusts based on forecasts. Smart home integration allows voice control and whole home automation. Use this checklist as a quick reference before and during summer. It covers home and office actions like setting the temperature to 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, cleaning filters, and sealing gaps. It also includes maintenance like servicing the AC and upgrading to LED lighting.